Today we have this lovely 1/2" and 1/4" socket set from Bahco. It features 1/2" and 1/4" reversible ratchets, 15 1/2" drive sockets, 9 imperial 1/2" drive sockets, 4 1/2" drive impact sockets, 12 metric 1/4" drive sockets, a selection of 1/4" drive Phillips, flathead and hex drivers, extensions and T-handles in 1/4" and 1/2" drive, 9 metric 1/4" drive deep sockets, and 3 Allen keys. You can buy this set online at twwholesale.co.uk with free delivery, or if you're local, head down to the store, we'd love to see you.